Exceptional, all great for a night next to the highway, small stopover. Supermarket 50 meters away. Value for money, a nice and simple place near the Marseille Airport. 24 hours check-in and breakfast is available. No restaurants nearby. Affordable comfort at Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly. Welcome to Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in the charming town of Vitrolles, France. With its convenient location just a short drive away from Marseille Provence Airport, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business travelers and holidaymakers looking for a comfortable and affordable stay. At Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly, you will find 72 well-appointed rooms, each designed to provide a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. The hotel offers a range of room options to suit your needs, whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with a group. Each room is equipped with modern amenities, including air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, and free Wi-Fi, ensuring a pleasant and convenient stay. Check-in at Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly is available from 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start exploring the beautiful surroundings. The friendly and professional staff are always ready to assist you with any queries or requests you may have, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. Checkout is until 11 a.m., giving you plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack your belongings before your departure. Please note that the child policy at this hotel requires children to be charged an additional fee. While children are welcome to stay, there may be extra charges involved. Please contact the hotel directly for more information and to make arrangements for your little ones. Experience affordable comfort and convenience at Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly. Book your stay today and enjoy a relaxing and memorable stay in Vitrolles, France. Unwind in the serene garden oasis at Premier Classe Marseille Vitrolles Anjoly. Guests can enjoy a tranquil retreat in the hotel's beautifully landscaped garden. Surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers, this oasis offers the perfect setting for relaxation and leisure. Whether you prefer to bask in the sun on a comfortable lounger or take a leisurely stroll along the winding pathways, the garden provides a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.